Hello, hello! If you like challenges and experiments, please leave a like and subscribe. Today we will try to make clear slime. I have already put in the glue, now we just have to add water. Now we just have to blend it. Okay, perfect. Now we just have to add an activator. If you don't have an activator, you can just use a lens solution. I am stirring and adding a little bit. Ooh, our glue is starting to become slime. Just stir it a little bit more. And add more activator. Continue stirring. Ooh, can you see? Our glue is starting to become really thick, but it's still not slimy enough. So, continue stirring and adding the activator. Oh, look at this. It is starting to become really thick. Add a little bit more activator and blend until it won't come off the walls. It is time to remove the stick and blend it with your hands instead. So guys, I have finally finished mixing everything. As you can see, it is as white as milk. And the recipe says we have to leave it for 2 days. And that is exactly what we will do. Let's cover it up with plastic. Like this, from this side as well. Close it off nicely. And now I will put away the bowl with the slime for exactly 2 days, after which we will see if the recipe worked or not. If it worked, the slime will be white, clear. If it didn't, it will still be white. Okay guys, so it has been exactly 2 days. As you can see, I had to pour over my slime into a smaller container, but that won't matter. Let's check out if the slime worked or not. At first glance, it looks like it hasn't worked, because there is a white foam. But let's look at what's under the foam. Clear slime! Oh no, it is not nearly thick enough. I will pour over everything into another bowl. Here, look at what we have made. Our slime seems to have divided into 2 pieces. The top one, which is mostly foam, but it's almost like slime. And the bottom one, which is like the glue. I guess I'll try to fix it with a bit more activator. I'll have to try and blend it once again. And here, look, we finally have a result. Let me pour it over onto the table. And I will try to mix it again with my hands. Okay guys, so this is what I have made. The slime is okay, but it is not clear. It is white. Can you see? And I wanted it to be white. I clearly did something wrong. Make sure to share your clear slime recipe in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a like and hit the bell for future videos. Bye bye. Wow, I made a really cool slime and it is really fun to play with it.